Tonight, a somber reality that continues to impact our community. Gun violence is the leading cause of death for children and teens nationwide.
It surpassed car accidents in 2020, and experts tell us that trend is continuing. 5 on Your Side's Mercedes McKay spoke with anti-violence advocates who are pushing for change.
It's horrifying because it's preventable. That's the message I think that we need to get out to the community.
As we head into the new year, a problem that many are calling a nationwide epidemic is still a reality.
How could we as a society ignore something that is the #1 reason why our children won't make it into adulthood?
A nationwide statistic shows that gun violence injuries and deaths among children increased by 5% from 2021 to 2022. Dr. LJ Punch, who runs a bullet-related injury clinic in St. Louis, has continued to treat more children over the years.
This disease process, this social event, this spiritual crisis, this emotional burden has a name, and it deserves care.
Over the past year across the country, 310 children were victims of unintentional shootings. 133 of those were fatal. That's why gun safety advocates here in St. Louis continue to push for every gun owner to own gun safety locks so these tragedies can be prevented.
Locking, securing guns will reduce the number of gun deaths that we have in America, and we lead the world in gun deaths.
Kathy Gilbert, a volunteer with the Lock It for Love program, says gun owners have a responsibility to secure their gun so we don't keep losing our children too young.
It affects all of our communities. We are all traumatized by it.
Trauma that Gilbert says needs to be discussed.
Talk to other people about this public health crisis. We need to talk about it. We need to say this is happening in our community and tell other people what they can do to reduce gun violence.
In St. Louis, Mercedes McKay, 5 on Your Side.
Gun locks are available for free at various libraries and fire stations across St. Louis. You can see a full list of locations at KSTK.com. Just click on the As Seen on TV section.